There, go ahead.
Hi, we're the Reeds, and we were challenged to the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge by Lisa Bonson and her husband Dave Bonson. She used to be my BFF. She's still my BFF, but I'm going to remember this. And I would like to challenge my other BFF, Deb Jordan, and her husband Bob to take this challenge too.
I'm Scott. I'd like to challenge all my cousins, Myers, Reeds, Abbotts, Kettlesons that have not done this to do this today, and my brothers Mike and Kenny Clark. Cheers.
Come on! Hot. Towel, please.
At 2 done.